Hi guys, what's up? It's your girl Charla from That Girl Cooks Healthy. Today I'm gonna show you how to make some hemp milk from hemp seeds. Really easy, a great alternative to nut-based milk, and it's so delicious. So let's get to it. So these are the ingredients you're going to need. You're going to need some hemp. Now, in respect to the type of hemp that you need, you're going to need hemp shells, or you're going to need what's known as hemp heart. You don't want to use hemp seeds, even though the milk will say, sometimes it's referred to as hemp seed, it's made from hemp seed. You want the hemp that is already hulled and the outer shell is taken off, or else you're going to get a result that's going to be really gritty and very difficult to pulverize in your blender. So you want to get hemp heart or shelled hemp. You're also going to need some water. I like to use filtered water for all of my plant-based milk. You're also going to need some dates. Again, this is optional. This gives it a very slight hint of sweetness, so I like to add a few dates, and also vanilla as well. So the first thing we need to do is to add all of the ingredients to a blender. So I'm going to add the hemp, I'm going to add some water, I'm also going to add the dates and the vanilla in no particular order. It doesn't matter what order you put them in, as long as you add them to the blender. In terms of your blender, I do recommend using a high-speed powerful blender for this, because this is going to make the milk really smooth. And also, if you don't want to strain it off as well, it is better to use a blender that is very powerful. So you want to add all of those ingredients, and then I'm going to show you what to do next. So the next thing you need to do is to place that lid on the blender, and then you want to blitz it into a really smooth consistency. Now, I've used a lot more hemp versus water because I like a creamy type of milk, but if you do want your milk to be more diluted, then you want to add more water versus hemp. And I do have the link to the full recipe in the description box, so you'll see what I mean there. So once it's done, it should be a nice smooth creamy consistency. And this is what the milk should look like. It's nice and smooth and a creamy consistency. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to place a nut bag. You can use a cheesecloth or a nut bag, just something that's going to catch the milk, and then put that in a jug, and then I'm going to pour the milk and I'm going to strain it off. You don't have to do this, you can totally skip this step, but I like to do it just to make sure the milk is really smooth with no gritty parts. So this is optional. Just know that if you don't do this, then you might find that your milk will have some little segments at the bottom of it, and that's perfectly normal. You need to just shake it before you actually use it. So just grab your hands now and just squeeze the milk, and just separate it from the nut bag or the cheesecloth. You just want to do that, and then you're going to be left with some nice smooth hemp milk. So this is what your hemp milk should look like. I'm just going to give it a quick stir. Nice and smooth and creamy. This is a great alternative to typically plant-based milks. Not everybody wants to have cashew, almond milk, or hazelnut milk. So this is a great alternative. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make this recipe, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the other side.